Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another short reading na naman tayo again today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, let's see kung anong message or advice sa inyo ni Universe, mga water signs natin dyan. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, tignan natin. Let's get 2 cards for you, for your advice or message ni Universe sa'yo. So, let's see. So, you have this, connect with nature and in touch with your body. So, I think for you, mga water signs natin dyan, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, connect with nature. So, I think for some of you, mga water signs, sinasabi sa inyo ni Universe dito is you need to meditate, diba? To regain your, your energy. No, pinapapunta kayo ni Universe sa nature, 'di ba? Connect with nature, 'di ba? Maybe for some of you ganyan, kayo lang nakakaalam niyan, water signs, no? And regardless with this another card rin, in touch with your body. So yun nga, no, maybe some of you water signs, no, medyo drain ang inyong energy right now, no? So kailangan nyo mag-detox, 'di ba? Connect with nature. Detox, more on green vegetables or fruits, right? So, ayun, kumaga, medyo siguro, kayo talaga ngayon, kumaga parang exhausted kayo, mga water sign, no? For some of you, so, nakikita ni Universe yun. So, sabi niya, mag-meditate daw kayo, mag-detox kayo, ganyan, connect with nature, lumabas kayo, baka hindi na kayo nakakalabas, so, sobrang drain na ang inyong energy, right? And eat fruits, 'di ba? Fruits, vegetable, ganun. So yeah, that's it, water sign. So kailangan nyo para rin yun sa health nyo, no? Para rin kayo siguro nga medyo baka yung mga kinakain nyo rin is hindi healthy ngayon. So you need to detox, mga water sign, no? Ayun ang inaano, kumaga healthy living ang sinasabi sa iyo dito ng ating universe, no, ni God, no? So that's it, water signs. So kayo nang kakaalam niya. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo dyan, mga water signs natin, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, until next reading natin, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe sa ating channel. Yeah, and yeah, God bless you all, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And until next reading, yeah, thank you and God bless you all again.